Hello everyone and welcome to lesson number 16. Today we will talk about how to copy files over the network. Let's make a text file like we always do. We will name it lesson 16. Let's say copy files over the network. And as you can see, if I press the save now, the file will be created here. It is somewhere here. So let's continue. On the same system, if you want to copy files, you use the copy command. The copy command copies files on the same system. We have already seen this command and you know how to use it. Now, if you want to copy files from our system to a Linux server, then we need to use the secure copy command or the SSH file transfer protocol. So there is the secure copy and there is the SSH file transfer protocol. So some call it also a safe transfer protocol, and let's say that it is from our system to a Linux server, so that it will be clear. In order to be able to use these two, you need a client. Mac and Linux come with the secure copy and the SSH file transfer protocol command line. Windows come with PATI. So in Linux, client is the command line. In Windows, maybe it will be changed in this latest version. I have already seen a video online, but it's not definitive. So in Windows there is PATI. You can check it in Google online and see how it works, download it, it is a light program. There are also some graphical clients. Some of them are the CyberDuck, it is very popular, the FileZilla. FileZilla is extremely popular among the Linux machines, and the Win Safe Copy. This is Windows 1. So let's save it. Don't forget to save from time to time. The copy, the source destination from copy. Let's see the syntax of it. So the safe copy has the following syntax. It is the safe copy, then the source, and then the destination. And the SSH file transfer protocol. This is the syntax. Then you write the host. For example, John, then host. This is to establish a connection. With the file transfer protocol, with FTP, you can also establish a connection with the server. FTP also establish a connection with the server, but be careful here. You can download and upload some files with FTP, but they will not be encrypted though. They will be in plain text and anyone can grab and manipulate them. So not safe. It is not safe, guys. On a future video we will make a live demonstration by first installing a virtual Linux server, CentOS 7, to our system. For this video, just try to learn the commands. Once you establish a connection with the server using the sftp, for example, sftp Linux server, or the IP, or here, or for example, yeah. Come. Wait a little bit. This happens when the insert key is pressed. Now, let's say that it is this one. We will have a virtual machine, for example, sftp. So once you establish this connection, you will see this symbol. This symbol means that you are in the server. You can also see where you are by using the commands that we already know, like the pwd command to check where you are, or you can check the files that are there. And then to upload the file to a server, you use the put command. Put, for example, my file text, and then you put the file to the place that you are. To remove a file, just like you would normally do in your Linux system, remove then the file name. To exit the server, let's write it, exit the server, you write the quit command, and now you're gone. So the save copy command, the other command that you have, you write that, save copy, then my file, and then you write the name of the server, for example, Linux server, and then you write the path like that, my path. An example would be my file.txt, then the Linux server, and then, for example, I want it to my temp here. And if you press it and you go via SSH, and then the IP, or SSH and then the Linux server and the name, and you got this system through the SSH command, then you can check. You can go and write the ls commands and go to the file that you are with the change direction command, and then check that the file is there. You can copy this file, you can remove this file, you can do whatever you want with this file. And if you want to transfer a file to another user, then you write the copy, save copy command, and then my file, and then you can say that it's the other user, for example, it is the name, and then add, and then the Linux server. And like you would normally do, for example, I would like to the home, and then the other user here. and now I copy my file, let's say my file.txt, I copy my file.txt inside this other user in the Linux server, and the destination file will be the home other user in there. This is where I save my file. So the FileZilla now, we will also see when we do the demonstration also the FileZilla. It's a really interesting program. At the top and left you would see a host text field. There you write, for example, sftp, and then the file, the server, Linux, for example, server. Then you will see a text field username and a text field password. You will complete these two fields also, and then you will press quick connect. once you press the quick connect button, you will be inside the server, and at your left side, it is your local files, and on the right side, it's a server. Then you can just drag and drop the files you want, or you can double click the file that you want to send. And this is pretty much it. This is how you use the FileZilla. This is how you use your the safe copy command. This is how the secure copy command. This is how you use the SSH file transfer protocol command. And if you work with Linux servers and transferring files, I would really strong recommend using this command or a FileZilla or something like that, and not the FTP command, because as I stated before, the FTP command is not a safe command. Everyone can, with WatchShark program or some other programs, steal the messages and also manipulate them. This is pretty much it. Thank you for being today with me, and thank you all for watching. See you next time.